ClickFunnels versus Systeme. Which funnel builder is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which marketing automation platform is better among ClickFunnels and Systeme. So, make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels offers an intuitive drag and drop editor, making it easy to build and customize sales funnels without technical skills. Known for its powerful and easy to use funnel builder, ClickFunnels is ideal for creating high converting sales funnels. Includes features like upsells, downsells, order bumps, and one click checkout designed to maximize sales and conversion rates. Provides access to a wealth of training resources and a supportive community, helping users get the most out of the platform. Offers an attractive affiliate program, allowing users to earn commissions by promoting ClickFunnels. While it has basic CRM and email marketing capabilities, it may not be sufficient for businesses needing robust CRM and automation tools. Can be more expensive, especially when considering additional costs for necessary tools and integrations. Primarily focused on sales funnels, which may not be ideal for businesses looking for a more comprehensive marketing and client management solution. Now, let's come towards Systeme. Systeme.io includes tools for building sales funnels, managing email marketing, creating online courses, and running affiliate programs. Provides features for managing affiliate programs, making it easier for businesses to leverage affiliate marketing. Offers a more affordable solution for entrepreneurs and small businesses with a comprehensive set of tools at a lower price point. Designed with simplicity in mind, making it accessible even to those without technical expertise. Users can get started quickly with pre-designed templates and easy to use tools. Somehow, it lacks some of the more advanced automation and CRM features. Compared to ClickFunnels, Systeme.io offers fewer customization options and advanced features. While suitable for small to medium sized businesses, it may not offer the scalability and depth required by larger enterprises or complex operations. Choosing between ClickFunnels and Systeme.io depends on your business size, budget, and specific needs in 2024. ClickFunnels is ideal for businesses that require advanced features, extensive integrations, and are willing to invest in a premium platform. Systeme.io is a better choice for small businesses or solopreneurs who need an affordable, all-in-one solution with ease of use and essential funnel building capabilities. Consider your business goals and budget to determine which platform aligns best with your needs. That's all for this video.